I'm Dave Chanda, President and CEO of RBFF. Registration is now open, and I'm officially inviting you to RBFF's 2025 State Marketing Workshop being held on February 24th to the 26th in Baltimore, Maryland. The agenda for the workshop, themed Casting Connections, Retaining, Engaging, and Inspiring Today's Anglers and Boaters, is already packed with numerous topics. We encourage all states to send 2 representatives to this conference. I'd love to see your agency's assistant director overseeing recruitment, retention, and reactivation efforts attend, as well as your marketing or communications director. I also encourage each state agency director to attend and engage in discussions with RBFF and your fellow state agencies.
Hi, my name is Brittany Hodak. I'm a customer experience keynote speaker and author of the book Creating Superfans: How to Turn Your Customers into Lifelong Advocates. And I'm thrilled to announce that I'll be joining my friends at the Recreational Boating and Fishing Foundation's State Marketing Workshop. We're going to be talking about my favorite subject in the world, and that's customer loyalty. How can we turn not just the people who are fishing and boating in your state, but also the people that you're working alongside in your state agencies into superfans? We'll be talking about what moves someone from affinity to advocacy and how we can go to taking up more real estate in people's minds, being thought of not just more often, but more highly when they think of us.
We'll also learn more about state agency R3 successes, RBFF's churn research, artificial intelligence, engaging broader audiences, consumer marketing trends, and so much more. Last year, we held the R3 Expo for the first time. It was a huge hit. As a result, this year, we plan to make it bigger and better. So what are you waiting for? Register today. RBFF can't wait to welcome you to our workshop that supports your efforts to advance fishing and boating across the country. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.